Hi guys! Today we're going to be making luminaries. I think a luminary is anything that glows, but today we're going to be making a luminary with a glass jar, an LED candle. You can't really tell, but it's flickering. And some metallic tissue paper. And the other thing you're going to be getting in your kit is some glue and a foam sponge brush. So the first thing you're going to do when you're making your kit is you're going to open your glues and pour them into a little container. I already did that. And then you're going to fill the glues with water and pour the same amount of water in as you have glue. And then you're going to take your foam brush and mix it really well. And that's going to be what you use to attach the tissue paper to the jar. I'm going to turn my candle off so I save it. Okay, and then the second thing you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of tissue paper, and you can cut it if you prefer, but I like how it looks more kind of natural if you rip it up. So I tend, when I do crafts like this, to just kind of make different shape pieces by ripping it. Really anyway, I don't make sure to do it super neat. I don't make sure to do it in the same size. I think the craft looks more interesting with more textured pieces of paper. So once you've gotten yourself a little pile ripped up, you could rip up all your paper first, or you can do it kind of as you go. I think I'm probably going to do it as I go. You're going to take your jar and you're going to paint it with your water and glue solution, just a little bit at a time. So like, here we go. Get a nice amount of glue on there. And then you can start sticking your tissue paper on. And I think it really does look nice, kind of random. I really, really don't worry about getting exact pieces on. And when you have put a bunch on to your sort of glued spot, you can just kind of take your glue solution again and you're going to go over it. You want to be gentle because you don't want to pull it up. But what this is going to do is it's going to lock it in, it's going to smooth it out, and it's going to give it a kind of shinier effect when it's dry. So you're going to take you're going to spend a while going around putting glue, putting tissue paper, and then painting on top. And it's okay to go over things more than once. I'm noticing that this tissue paper is like a little bit resistant to the glue. It kind of pushes the glue away. If you don't like that, there's a softer side of the tissue paper. So you could put the shinier side down and put the glue on top of the softer side. And it will probably stay better, but we're gonna see what this ends up looking like. Okay, so I'm gonna work on this for a while, and then I'll show you what it looks like after I finished. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys! Okay, I'm back. I finished my jar. It's totally covered, and I actually dried it with a hairdryer. So when you put the glue on the outside, it is going to kind of resist, which means it's not just going to be smooth, it's going to bead up. But I smoothed it with a finger, and it got pretty smooth, and it was still a little beaded up. And then now that it's dried, you can't see that at all. So don't stress if the glue doesn't look neat while you're making it. But I like all these little ripples and ridges and stuff that makes it look unique. So you can add more to your jar. You could tie a ribbon around it. You could, if you have glitter at your house, you could, like, before it dries, put glitter on it. You could make like a name tag or something and glue it on. You can do whatever you want to make it a little bit more interesting looking, but this is just how I'm going to leave mine for now, and we can take a look at what it looks like with the luminary inside. But it's pretty light out right now, so I'm not sure how well we're going to be able to see it glow. Maybe I will put it in my somewhere dark and then try and film it for you in a second. Alright, so we'll do that, and that will be the end. Thanks guys. I'll see you in a minute. I found a closet in my house where it was pretty dark. My boots and my Christmas decorations. You can see it glows pretty nicely. All right. Have fun, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.